Okay, so we're getting down to the last ends of this tutorial. Last ends, like there's more than one ends. We're getting down to the end of this tutorial, and that is finally weight painting. God, my brain is so scrambled. Alright, so let's finish this up so that I can give my brain a chance to rest. Alright, now that we have our limbs and our body, and it's set the way... Sorry, cat fighting something. Okay. Okay, so now that we got our body ready, and accepted that the butt is broken, at least mine is, we can move on to the fun part, and that's weight painting. And this is where I like to do my ye old famous zero blender juggle, because I like to jump from blender 2.79 to 2.72, then come back to 2.79 and keep on keeping on. Now I know some people absolutely hate that method, and they say, hey, we can do it in the current blender, we don't need to go jumping back and forth. Well, I'm glad you can, because I can't. This is just the way I do it. It's how I roll. Accept it. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I've tried to make this process as easy as possible so you guys don't have to struggle. So what we need to do is we need to bring in our template. And our template has all the weights and stuff on here, so you guys don't have to struggle with weight painting. You just got to do a little bit of correction if stuff don't look right. So we're going to go into our project folder. I'm so used to saying that. Our materials folder. And you're going to bring in the Box Girl Day. Now this is the body that I had in the intro. So if you actually want to just use that, you can, and modify that. You have my permission to do so. Go ahead and play. I'm going to take her and I'm going to join her. Actually, I want to join all her parts together so that it's all one body. I don't usually transfer weights from hands and feet to the body. It's not usually something that I do, because very rarely do they ever line up right, and then you don't want the fingers and stuff to bend weird. But that's up to you if you want to. So we have this lined up here, and we have our body here, and for the most part it all lines up. I think my feet are a little offset, but it works for the most part. Now I'm going to take our body and I'm going to save this blend. Oh, sorry. I thought that was my packages coming. So I'm going to save this as the base too. And I'm going to open up my older blender. Wait for my computer to explode from opening up the older blender. Yes, please. Okay. Body project, the base too. And I'm just going to copy the weights from the template to the body. So we got our regular body here on layer 1. I'm going to join the parts I want. So body, arms, neck, legs, join those together. Go to my body, Box Girl, hold down shift, select the first layer, select the body. Remember, it's always good weights, then source first, then target. So good weights, then bad weights. If you select it in the right order, the body you want the weights to go to will glow blue, while the template will stay whatever color it was. Once everything is lined up, we're just going to press go into weight paint mode, tools, transfer weights, let it do its thing. Alright, there we go. Then we're going to select our bones and move it about and see. Now that may happen sometimes, but we can easily fix that, because the arm is stupid. It'll fix itself. Give me a minute. So we can move ourselves around, see if everything is bending right. Alright, we gotta correct that. But for everything else, let's see. Legs bending okay. Yeah, I forgot I gotta scoop my feet up. But we'll do that later. So, a lot of things we do later. Like I said, that's the motto of this. We'll do it later. He'll fix it later. Alright, so that's good. That's good. That's good. Look at the neck. Alright. Alright. Now, we need to enable our fit mesh bones because that's mostly in control of this body. So we're going to go to our, I forgot how Twitter stuff is with this. Avastar, select the bones. What should be like visual somewhere? Fittings, tools, weight pain. Rigging. There we go. And then we want to do this, and we want to turn on the volume bones, torso, okay, extra attachment, skin mode. There we go. Just push skin mode. And then we have that pop up. So you see now we have the fit mesh weights. And we want to see what has weight over there. So let's select the arm bone and rotate it up. Then we select the hand because that's where it is. Sorry about that. Weight paint. And it's one of these that has weight in it. Arm. Yeah, arm. Go to tools. Turn our weight to 0. Turn this off. And sure, yeah, just remove all that extra weight. It's giving us issue. Might be the hand. Sometimes it's either the hand, or the thumb. Get it to the thumb. Thumb, is it you? No. What else is causing issue? Hand. Oh, there it is, hand. There we go. Okay, just keep rotating to see if it's there. Alright. Everything is fine. Now, while we're in here, let's go to the part where we had clothes at. Where did our clothes go? Here we go. Woo, that's a high panty. But it's alright, we'll just pretend like we ain't noticed. We don't know anything about triangle counts. By default, it will have the DAS thingy in there, the DAS bones. We want to get rid of those, so click on this down pointed arrow and delete all the groups. Select this, and also delete the groups. Oh, wait. It's positioned to fit our avatar. I forgot. So, let us see. It's just brown panties. We can fix that. So grab this. Let's delete all the groups out of here. Remove, delete groups. Select this. Delete groups. Okay. Both the groups are deleted. We're going to select the wrench and change it to the main skelly again. The main skelly. Grab it. While in edit mode, do our position change. So Shift, Control, Alt, C. And then origin to... No, not the 3D cursor. I'm so used to that. To geometry. So just fit it on the body the best you can. And the good thing about... Oh, wait. Make sure we have that. Good thing about clothes is that it's okay if it's symmetrical. We can put it here and then fix it on one boob, one side, and then do the snap to symmetry. And it really won't matter too much. I feel like at this time I really wish I paid attention when Ukami was trying to teach me how to use the lattice tool. I'm like, yeah, it's fine. I don't need it. I'll learn it later. Blah, blah. I'm sure that gremlin's over there laughing now. Now who needs it? Is it now who doesn't need it? It's always good to keep the bra strap on the clavicle. It's always a pet peeve of mine when people rig their bra in a stupid way. And it's like, and so if you don't feel like doing that again, we can just do like we did before and hit the summer button. Then we have it. Your boulder holder, holding them boulders. Alright, so we do the same for the panties. The panty. Oh. Here. You know, I wonder, can we shrink wrap this around the body? I want to try it, but at the same time, I'm like, don't break it. Come on, we want to get out of here. Some of us are hungry. It's lunchtime. Is it lunchtime? It's beyond lunchtime. You know why the butt's having problems? Because the butt's broke. You know what? We could just cover up the butt. Nobody has to know that it's broke. A fine pair of drawers, and this will be great. You know what? I just realized that these are shorts. These aren't underwear. These aren't panties. These aren't panties at all. These are shorts. I'm like, these panties sure are thick. Alright, well, wait, well, do like we did before. Just transfer the weight. Oh, man, this tutorial, eh? So you do the same thing, check it around, see if it works. And all the natural positions in which your second life body should move. Check the underwear. Oh, that's my fault. I forgot to fix that before I transfer the weights to there. So let's go fix that real quick. Select the body. The crooked, his oddly puffy vagine. Alright. But I swear when y'all do it, it's going to look way better. It's like you said, it's going to look way better. So as you can see from here, we have a little too much weight right here on the corner of the vagine, and it is being pulled down with the leg. We're going to want to select the bone that has the influence over, which is this upper leg fit mesh bone, and we're going to turn off our weight. And if you want to, you can turn the strength down so it gets a nice gentle touch on there, and it's going around everything but that. So make sure that this button is checked. Select the radius thing, and we're just going to click it a couple times until it stops pulling it, and then you see it goes fine. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other leg. Pull that vagine, select the bone that's pulling it, and then gently, ever so gently, remove the weights from it until it stops pulling it. Now when we look at it in texture mode, and here it should be fine, which it is. Now that we have that fixed, let us go and find those shorts, not panties again. No, they're giganticness because they're shorts. Select the body, select the drawers. They're drawers now. Bloomers. Transfer the weight. And it shouldn't be stupid. Get out of here. And it's the list. Oh, well, look, we just do the same thing we did before. Just grab the undergarments, let the bone, I guess this, and just do the same thing, stretch. There you go. All done. Now you got yourself an outfit to start your stuff with. Your things are weight painted. It's time to switch back over and go back into our other blender. So here we go. We're just going to hit save. Go back to our blender. And then hit revert. And there we go. It's not too terrible. Alright, so we got clothes, we got this, we got that, and now it is time for us to import it into Second Life. So, I reckon that should be a video on its own. Let us import it into Second Life. So, see you guys in the next video.